Here are the 20 sentences of character building that needs to learn by children. Number 1. I treat everyone with respect. Number 2. I say please to make a request. Number 3. I try to understand what my friends are feeling. 4. I listen and obey my parents at all times. 5. I do not give up. I keep trying until I can do my work. Number 6. I pray and thank God before I sleep at night. 7. I am polite when I wait for my turn and say please and thank you. Number 8. I say sorry if I hurt someone. Number 9. I encourage my friends to do their best. 10. I greet each other with a smile. 11. I am honest. I do not cheat or steal. 12. I am grateful for what I have, so I share with others. 13. I never fight, but I share things with others. 14. I try to learn something new each day. 15. I take care of myself by eating healthy food, exercising, and getting enough rest. 16. I am helpful and kind to others. 17. I follow the rules and try to make my school a better place. 18. I buy only what I need and save my money. 19. I think before I act. I need to be careful not to hurt others. 20. I say good morning to everyone with a smile. Good job, children! Always play this video and read and learn these good thoughts.